How you going? We are going up this other wall now, people. Things have changed a little with this mosaic here. I was going to go off the edge of the cabinet, but the owner wants it going off the screen, so that's cool. There, that line there is where the screen goes. So there it is up there. I'm going to be putting a black aluminium trim in there, because when I come out with my tile there, my mosaic is the same thickness, but not when I use a 6mm notch trowel and it follows the wall pretty close. There will be a slight step, but with the glass going up there, it's all cool. There will be a couple of mil difference, but then the screen guy can just silicone straight down there, so it's all cool. It'll work out nicely. This wax holds them together a bit. A knife gets them apart. Nice. I'll cut those separately, so we'll go 2 up. These suckers, boy, I tell you. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Tiling is so easy these days. You start off DIY and you start off right, you can't go wrong. Always watching your lines is the key, people. I reckon the hardest the hardest thing for beginners to learn about tiling is a screeded bathroom floor. Once you've got that bang on, with leveling clips, the rest is easy. Now if you follow my steps, my teaching steps, you can tile your own bathroom. Easy peasy, people. If you're that way inclined. Some people aren't. And I understand that because I have that sort of trouble with computers. So a computer person is not necessarily going to find it easy to tile his own bathroom. So you can't really say anyone can do it. No, not really. But if you're that way inclined, if you've got a little bit there that you can sort of work with your hands a bit, well then you follow these steps and you'll pick it up all right. But then some computer people like to work with their hands. It's a sense of relaxation. I have a nephew that he's a full-on scientist, but he likes blacksmithing and making knives, and he turns wood and all sorts. And he's a scientist, but he likes to do things and make things with his hands as a form of relaxation. Make sure it's nice and flat. See, I've gone up that wall. All I'm doing is checking it. If you are a DIY, check each row as you go, and then you're laughing. I don't have to do it as much because I've been doing it for a while. But check it. It doesn't hurt to just check your work as you go. My older sister passed away a week ago, and there's going to be a Zoom, like she lives in England, so there'll be a Zoom funeral, and I've got two other sisters, but the song I have chosen is by John Farnham, you'll never walk alone. So there'll be a good taste of Aussie in a palm wedding. That's in a couple of weeks' time. So I'll take the day off that day. I won't be doing this bathroom, I'll be on another bathroom. But yeah, John Farnham is a national Australian icon. He's a pretty good singer. He's getting on a little bit now, but hey, aren't we all? So the Zoom meeting will be is that going to fit under there? Oh no, the Zoom meeting will be at my place, and I'll put on a few steaks and prawns for the rest of my family. So we'll all join together. So we're nearly up this wall, folks. I've got to mix some glue, and I've got to do this cut. This time I'll use oh, I can do it with my grinder. Seen it's positioned like that. That's how you mark it, people. Easy peasy. Give it a bit of a curve because the cover plates are getting smaller and smaller these days. Right, I'll be back.